Hello guys, welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome to the Edutech series, which supports students and also teachers in their classroom to use some technology tools to support education and teaching in their classrooms. Okay, and if this is your first time on this channel, DTW Tutorials, an educational channel online where we support students with free maths and physics videos to support them in their various exams such as JAM, post-UME, WAEC, that's your WAS exam, your GCE, NECO. Okay, and we do these videos from Lagos, Nigeria, and it's to support students in West Africa and also in Africa. All right, so today's video we're going to be talking about how to use the Google Docs. Okay, that's your Google document. The previous video where I introduced the DTW Edutech series for teachers and students, I taught on how to create a Gmail account, and this is the account we're going to be using to explore G Suite. That's your Google suite of apps and applications that we can use in our classrooms. All right, so today's video we're talking on the Google document. So to get to your Google document, all you need to do is click on the Google Apps here, this button here, that's this square button, and go to Google Drive. Okay, in the Google Drive, all you need to do to open a new document, okay, you go to this plus sign, new, and you come here, hover here to the Google Docs, and you have an option to open a blank document or from a template that you can start from. If you don't want to start from scratch, maybe a resume template, project proposal template, and a letter template, and various. You can scroll down and you see various templates, business letter, and all that you can use to start from. You know, it just gives you like a layout to start your work. But if you want a new blank page to type in your assignments, your maths assignment, physics assignment, chemistry assignment, just click on blank. All right, and here I'm going to take you through this environment. All you need to do here is, Google Docs is almost like the Microsoft Office which you have on your laptop, but the major difference between Google Docs and Microsoft Office is that you have to be connected to the internet to use Google Docs. For Microsoft Office, it's offline, all right, but for Google Docs you have to be connected to the internet. All right, so all you need to do is type in whatever assignment you need. If it's English, if it's maths, physics, whatever you have to share to your students, okay, you type this out here. All right, and it's easy to edit. You have your editing tools right here. You make it bold, okay, bold, it's italic, you can underline. It's almost like into Microsoft Office. Okay, you can play around with this to know. You can get various font size, font styles here, and font size also you can also use, maybe make it bigger and all. Okay, and very important tool for maths students is this particular tool called equation. Okay, when you click on equation, you can actually type an equation here. Let's say this. Okay, we can say 2, press enter, it goes down 2/3. Okay, let's say you have assignments on fractions, okay, plus, or let's say you want a division sign here, because you won't see a division sign on your the computer keyboard, so you say divide, all right, by, we need another, okay, we can say a square root of 16. All right, so you can see this, can see how easy this is. Okay, so it's a very important tool for actually maths and physics teachers. Okay, and Google has made Google Docs and everything on Google to really support education. That's why I love this platform, Google. Okay, so all you need to do is go to insert, and you see your equation. If you have special characters, also if you need to insert special characters, they are here. Insert an image, for your students. You can upload from your computer or search on the web, okay, even on your drive. Later on, I'm going to do a video on Google Drive, how to arrange your folders and also your files and how to save them, okay. You can insert a table, a drawing, several things, even a footnote, okay. And you can recommend a link, put a comment on a particular statement, maybe you on a particular maybe sentence you typed in, okay. So here we can format, paragraph style, column, line spacing, just play around with it. You don't need to be scared. It's quite easy to use, okay. It all starts with the will to learn. Once you start learning, you have questions, feel free, just place a comment below and I would definitely answer. You have problem in doing a particular thing, just send text, just send comment on this video and I'll definitely reply you, okay, respond to your comment. And if it's something I need to make a video for you, I will definitely do a video for you, okay. So you have different tools here. Translate your document. You can translate your document to any language. Let's say, I know in Africa we have Portuguese, we have the French speaking countries, English speaking countries, Swahili. So you have different languages you can translate to, okay. You can see this is Swahili, okay, that's for Kenyans. So you can actually translate. Can translate your document to English, okay. So there are several things you can do with your Google document, okay. And one last thing for this particular tutorial is how to save your document. All you need to do, go to Untitled document, erase it and type. Let's say you have here maths assignment 1 and it's saved automatically, and you don't really need to disturb yourself on if your work has been saved or not. As far as you're connected to the internet, whatever you type is automatically being saved, okay. Let's say I type something here. You can see this button here, it says saving and it saves automatically, okay. As far as you're connected to the internet, you don't need to bother about your file being saved. And also, wonderful thing about Google Docs, you can access this document from anywhere in the world, on any device, on any laptop. As far as you have access to your email account that you've created, you can access this document, okay. So thank you for staying tuned in today's video, and I'll see you in the next video where we're going to treat something else. I think after typing your assignment, you need to share to your students. So the next video, I'm going to be taking you through how to share a Google Docs document to your students and maybe various colleagues, and how you can collaborate. Several people can collaborate on a particular document from anywhere in the world, trying to edit it, to change some things and review some things. So thank you for staying tuned to today's video tutorial. See you in our next video, and don't forget, Jesus Christ is coming soon. Give your life to Christ. You are destined to win. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe.